Hey guys, it's me, Emily. Haven't been doing this for a long time. And let me tell you how hard it is to like vlog, be a mom, just do life in general when you have a baby. It's hard. Alright. But I wanted to come on here and unbox my Cricut with you guys. I'm so excited. Haven't been waiting that long. I ordered it. It came really fast. Yeah. And if I pause this video a lot, it's because Cranky Pants is being cranky today. But yeah, let's jump into it. Alright. Here we go. It's empty. There's nothing in here. Just kidding, guys. I already took it out the box. Alright, so basically I went on Cricut.com and they were having a huge sale. And I got the Cricut, the mint one, the Explorer Air 2. Sorry. I just waxed my plant. I got that and it came with an everything bundle and we paid $230 for it, which is awesome. The whole bundle is usually around $500 and I paid $229. Crazy. But I'm gonna show you what it came with because I'm super excited. First it just came with like a regular black tip pen. I don't know how to use the Cricut, so I don't know what this is for yet. Obviously the beautiful Cricut machine, which I will insert a photo. It came with this awesome straight edge cutter. I guess it's called a portable trimmer, but it's one of those things where you just cut straight. Easy glide system, and it's the Cricut brand. Obviously it came from Cricut. I think these are like $30. It came with one of the soft grip mats. It came with a value pack, so it has a strong, a light, and a medium or something. Strong, standard, and light. So those three. So that's 4 mats it came with. And then it came with all these tools, which is so awesome. Like, what? Super excited. It came with the scoring stylus. As again, like, I really don't know what any of these are for yet because I just got it and been doing my research. It came with gel pen set. It came with a knife, which is pretty cool because I know these are like $12, I think. So those are the tools that it came with. And then it came with transfer tape, a roll. One roll, 12 inches by 48 inches. So that's pretty nice. And then this is like where I was like, whoa, it came with all of this. Alright, so it came with chalkboard vinyl. Super cool. It came with dry erase vinyl. It came with adhesive foil, which I believe there's 5 different colors in this one. It came with iron-on foil, same thing I believe. No, there's 4 in the iron-on. It came with stencil vinyl because you can make stencils in the Cricut, which is pretty cool because I like to paint on like planters, like terracotta pots. So check out my Etsy for those coming up. Let's see. premium vinyl. This came with 3 different colors in it. And then everyday iron-on vinyl strong bond, and that came with 3 as well. So it came with all of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 different things. I clearly know how to count 7. Alright. It came with glitter cardstock, 10 sheets, 2 of each color. It came with foil poster board, 10 sheets, 2 of each color. Oops. And it came with 24 sheets of just white cardstock paper, which is super cool. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, so that's everything, guys. Super excited. On a side note, I'm wearing these super cute earrings. Look at them. I got them on an Etsy shop, Perfect Pothos. I'll insert a link below if you're interested in checking her shop out. I love these earrings. They came super fast. They were kind of pricey, but I mean, they're handmade and support small business and local and whomever. So yeah, that was my Cricut unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey y'all.